You back already? You'll be pleased to know that I heard from the leader of the Rolling Sevens.
Let me guess, he wants us...
Actually, he agreed to a parlay, after I pointed out that you saved his scrawny butt and he needed to return the favor.
Let me guess again. You want me to set up a play date with the other gang leader?
You could put it that way. I wouldn't. Just find him. Tell him the other side agreed to come to the park tonight at sundown. No guns.
Sundown, eh? Well, you got it, Sheriff Luke. Deputy Spiderman will get that rascally varmint.
What have we done to deserve this?
Well, I guess it all started when you decided to murder each other in front of the hospital. That kind of rubbed me the wrong way.
Man, Rolling Sevens started all that. They killed my cousin.
And you hit back at them, and so on. Thing is, they've agreed to a parlay.
What are you talking about?
I'm saying that you, the leader of the Rolling Sevens, and Mr. Cage are gonna have a little sit-down. A little chat.
Sevens agreed.
Yes, they did. And I suggest you do the same. Or Mr. Cage, the police, and yours truly are all gonna be your new best friends.
So, what's the plan?
Tonight, at down, in the park. Be there, or be square.
Be square? You from Queens or something?
Just show up or else.